What a lovely morning today. I'm just going to my house. I wonder what's on TV today. On today's news, we may have an F-Zero passing on the new motorway. On the M20, it's still being constructed. We have spotted 3 dangerous spots that are very windy. We need as much people to stay out of that area. And if you're on that road, turn immediately either around or into our road. For anything bad, or when wind picks up and then drags you across the road and then hits your car and blows you up. That was from the TV news / weather station. Broadcasting. Shh. Shh. Oh no, that's bad. Uncle Frank. Frank, we got a problem, bruh. What is it? Not again. It's another tornado. Not again. Yes, Grandpa, again. Pooh, I'll stay here. No, Grandpa. Yes, I've been waiting for this my whole life. Okay, Grandpa, whatever you say. / Frank. Okay. I am the tracker for tornadoes. Today on the M20, we're heading to the M20, which is just over there. See that bit over there? M20. That should be where they said tornadoes should be spawning around. So let's go. Doesn't look too good either. Oh no, not in the ship. We can't let the ship go down. I'm cheating a bit here. 2, 3. Oh no, guys, we gotta run! An F-Zero's picking up wind! Guys, I'm about to get into this building here. We need to hide in this building. See if we can see the tornado. It's right outside the city. Guys, it's outside the city. It's outside the city. There's also some apartment. I have 2 apartments. My grandpa's apartment. I've got the sea. Need to break through. The tornado didn't damage any of our places. There. So guys, we're going to get in this building as quick as possible. I don't want to come out here. Because out there is a literal F-Zero, guys. There is, guys. Somewhere there is a tornado. Guys, weather stations are warning us about an F1. guys. Get in. Guys, did you see that? There was so much blocks flying around all of a sudden. No! The road, guys, look! The road. It's split. So the helicopter is right now flying over West Ham City. You have no clue where the blocks flew. We believe blocks flew everywhere. Right now we're on the helicopter flying just then, out of nowhere. We're getting epic, guys. We're going to create an F3. Oh, guys, that building was dead. I knew it. Oh, bam, bitch. It was completely sucked up. How did it? It sucked. Holy moly. It sucked up. Holy shit. This isn't going to school, so I don't know. Literally, look what's happened, guys. The whole road is gone. Let's see if this place has the strength to... I know what's going to happen. I bet this place is create F. I'm a son of a bitch, I am. Holy shit. So what I'm saying, swears all the time. Can you see that? That is a literal F5. We created. Oh. This city is Stonehope luckily survived. Did this bit survive? Nah, I didn't think it would. Oh my god, the whole inside. If you were in here, guys, you would either fall down to the lower deck. Lower decks are right. For the sake of lower decks, the floors fall down. Guys, I can't see a thing. The World War Carrier's gone. It's a miserable day for this town. But then, out of nowhere, massive fires began because of how heavy these storms were. Not like storms actually do this, but on my terms, storms do this, and it was a terrible day for this city. And they thought they were gonna burn in hell. They thought they were gonna die. They thought they were gonna go down in history and be losers because of how unsafe their town was and where they put their town. It used to be a place of happiness. It is now just a farmyard of terror. Horror. Actually, guys, that'd be really epic. Let's like... I'm not being kidding. I'm not kidding, guys. That looks so terrifying. Let's make patches of fire. Literally. It will look like the depths of hell. How does that look? The depths of hell? Yeah, that still looks like the depth of hell. This, unfortunately, is hell. This is hell. Welcome to hell, guys. When the world is turned into something miserable, this is what it looks like. We're gonna do the newest. Okay. I think I already done this one. Created. What? A hurricane can. You know that's powerful, but it's powerful enough. Oh! Get in the helicopter. We can go to the Victory in here. Okay, we're on our way to Victory. Rocket. 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 We're going on the way to Victory, sir. Oh no, our propellers are getting too fast. Engine overheating! Ah! Oh, close going! Yes, we've took off! Boys and girls, we've managed to get out of the storm nearly. We're managing. Let's get far away from that hellhole. Let's land here. Now I need a bit of aircraft, guys. That's terrible. Let's just do like a broken bit of the aircraft. Like with front in the ground. Oh my. Oh my. Are you alright, gentlemen? Oh, am I alright? Yeah. That plane just. Well, actually, are you right? Because you went front first into the. Well, I'm alright. And pretend we have like a massive fire in a bit. Massive fire. I'm checking on you guys, make sure you're still running. And then we could have some glass. Here, shattered. I don't remember what happened. We have the seat in the ground. That was what's left of the helicopter, guys. Like, what? We went off from a full ramp helicopter to a dead meat thing. So, we made it to the village. If you can just about see, guys, there's depth of hell over there. Managed to get out of depth of hell. Bro! And then, it started to ignite the fuel. Which caused engaging problems. Oh no, guys! Engaging fuel! Oh no! It's not very good. It is not very good when a fuel ignites. And then they slowly realise that the plane starts to all be in fire. They start to go, oh shoot. They run away as fast as possible because they know what's going to happen. They knew the plane was going to blow into smithereens and smithers. Well, not smithereens, but just pieces. Blow into pieces. and they looked inside before they got out of the plane, it was dead. Guys, this plane is dead. Just find a way out. I know what's going to happen. What's going to blow up? What? One of our famous helicopters are going to blow up. Yes. Why didn't you land it properly? I couldn't. The gauge fields were blowing. Shh. Oh! Oh, there it went, guys. The poor plane. Storm. Guys, it's early morning. Fire, a little bit of a fire is still going on, as you can see. It's not too bad. It's not fully day yet, guys, but the plane's gone, so we have no way out. Guys, we don't know how to get there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cheat my way there. Let's see what the place looks like. Okay, we are approaching the town. Let's go from the highway first. Let's go from the highway because I want to make it look a surprise. Okay, guys, it's gonna be a surprise. We should be coming up to the high road right now. Yep, there's the new yeah, that's the new highway. Okay, let's walk down the new highway. I can already see the wreckage. We're coming up to the abandoned city, guys. I think it's in flames, I think. Some of it. What was that? There was like a massive flying object. Check that out. Yeah, look, you can see if you can just look very carefully. If you look carefully, right there, you can see the flames breaking out. That's basically the gas leak of this city. This city is a wreck. There you can properly see the fire now, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that go off in the air. Causing gas. And I did not think that was going to survive long. Guys, if you didn't know, there was a TNT kind of bit of the storm where all the TNT kind of rose up in it. And whoa! What is happening? What happened? What? Guys, the boat just blew up before my very own eyes. What? The whole motorway is gone. The whole entrance to the motorway is gone. The entrance to the town is gone. Is there any like living bits of this town? We got to check this place out. Oh, we need to dig to get. Oh my god, we need to dig to get to the place, guys. Clearly, none of these places survived. Night pressure's going up. Night pressure's gone. So it's pretty dark down here in the night. The whole roof, the whole floor's got cracks in. How we? Nope. I managed to grab on it. Oh, that's close. Ow. Ow, 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 my hand. You can see it's bleeding. Look. You just look closely, guys. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can clearly see it's bleeding. Look, it's bleeding. If you look, there's a red bit. Is that seriously blood? Oh my god, guys. I'm actually if you can look, you can see there's like little marks in me. Wow. That's small. But still. Oh my god. Oh! If I didn't get off that block, I would have been dead. Whoa! 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 If I didn't get any of them blocks. Ah! Guys, I'm starting to think this place is explosive as well. Then, the whole top of the roof came down on me. Oh! I ran out of that city as fast as possible, and this was the remaining when my own helicopter got here. One of the little towns we had is gone. This was the remaining. Guys, that's the remaining. Also, guys, welcome in a video of me trying to find something. That was just what I had of a mod, guys. Where is it? There it is. Guys, I've got a surprise for you guys. It's a plushie. It's Galaxy the Wolf, guys. So, I know it's kind of weird, guys, but I've got to sit in a different place because where I normally do my videos is
part of the arachnid family. It's known as a solifugiid, meaning those who flee from the sun.
Stuff. And also, some mum seems to be dog. So, I've got my last plushie.
As soon as the sun sets,
if I don't know if Alex Crocodile is watching, but if you are Alex Crocodile, the guys that aren't Alex Crocodile won't know who he is, right? But the people who, the person who is Crocodile, and maybe on this video, I don't know, if he isn't, I will invite him to my videos. But here is my plushie. Yeah. And I'm glad Alex makes these plushies. They're soft, they're cutie. Oh, looky. Pure darkness.
in human terms,
Lip is
they contract the equivalent of over
it's
60
the opening to hell. And also, guys, if you didn't see, my cats actually had an operation. Come on, kitty. Look, guys. Look. Oh. But my cat does have an operation. Can you?
With his escape route plotted, he heads straight.
Oh, you look at me, guys. Basically, what's going on at the moment, there is a lot of things going on.
Finding shelter from
My illness seems to be passing on, which is great. It seems as I'm not getting any colds, which is very good news, guys. Everything's healing up. The sore scabs are the same. I'm not going to show you guys. I was going to show you guys, but maybe one peak, guys.
In the desert, ant colonies do everything to avoid losing water. So go out.
You had one peak. Yes, they are so bad. They're like, I don't know what they are. They're brown things. I forgot what the name is. But I hope you...
However, this is an opportunity not to be wasted.
Guys, this is so interesting. Ants. Seriously, ants. Ants. We're watching a movie now, guys. Ants. There's a lot of fish down there. Shark is growing big and low. Big. Shark's big. I don't know if you can see him. Grab your pill. Where is he?
As the clock counts down,
There's Sharky. There he is. Pretty big. pretty big. Is little fish in there as well. Getting scared. Woof, woof. Be quiet. Okay, guys. She's looking at my doggy. She's looking at us. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tornado slash chat video. So it might be named Tornado Chat, which is very weird. Tornado Gaming, maybe? Yeah, Tornado Games with this video. It's gonna be. And if you like this video, give it a give me a like smash. Smash on likes. And I hope all likes. Actually, like Spike. And also, if you want to comment and anything about, I do say these in my videos now. If there's anything wrong with my videos, just comment down below, and I'll look. I always scroll. I'll look. If you guys have reported, yes, I'm talking to you. Yes, I will re-comment to it. Fix it. So my mum's telling me to hurry up now. So I might as well go, guys. Bye. 26:48.